Good morning and welcome to Evandale, Tasmania. We're here at Dieman Brewing. It's hop harvest day today and I've brought the entire family up from Hobart with me to help out. Kalie Tatchell has always said to me I never crossed that imaginary white line in the middle of Tasmania, but I've done it. I'm here. I guess I have to because I'm the official podcast of Van Dieman's paddock. So let's get into some hop picking.
Welcome to Van Dieman, hop picking day 2021. There they go. Let's go out and pick some.
Mrs. Beer here, like getting in on the action. She loves a hop now. She's a beer drinker. Gotta love it.
For sure.
Alright, so we're here and we're into it. Pretty simple. Get a bind, find the hop cones, pull them off, chuck them in a bag, and then at some stage these will become part of some very delicious beers out this way. So I better stop talking and get into it. Ooh, that smells absolutely sensational. You just cannot beat fresh hops. As the sun always starts to set up here in Evandale, it's time to call it quits. Spent my 15th bucket of hops that I've put into the cool store. Sizzle, he's a little bit tired, he's been running around all day with his brother Barley, having a great time. It's been a sensational day up here with all the families getting around the Van Dieman Brewing property, and it's just a magic place up here, and looking forward to having these hops next. So mate, what are you going to do?
Well, we've thrown them in the cool room today because we can't actually brew with them tomorrow. I've got extracurricular activities tomorrow. So we'll be brewing with a portion of them on Monday, wet hop beer, and the rest of them will go into a kiln on Monday and we'll dry them, and they'll probably be in there for a bit over 24 hours, dry them down to a low moisture percentage, and then we'll pack them and use them across the next 12 months in some of the farmhouse and estate beers.
Yeah, nice. I apologise for the few extra leaves and sticks that are probably in my batch. I've got clumsy fingers, but certainly was a great day up here. Everybody chipping in to help out a local legend. So until we talk again, this great big craft beer land of ours, just great beers.